Welcome to my Sunday market breakdown, and in this video I'll be sharing what I'm anticipating next week from 27th to 30th of October 2025. So EURUSD is first on my list, and I'm anticipating for price to continue selling, because here we have marked this red zone. You can clearly see that price is making a correction, and this is my projection. And after, I'm anticipating for price to break out and continue until to this level here. Okay, so that's what I'm anticipating on Euro USD. Okay, so because you can clearly see that price is on a downtrend. It is making lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, and here there is double bottom, and I'm anticipating that price, after making this correction, is going to break out and continue to this level here. So that's my projection, and I think price on Euro USD has already shown signals that yes, I can wait for this. Sorry, price has already shown that I can even wait today's night, and I see whether I can get myself entries. Okay, so that's what I'm anticipating on USD. So let's cover the second pair, the GU. Okay, so the GU I'm also anticipating for sales this week, because you can see that CPI was on came on Friday. It pushed price. It was a buy. When price came out for CPI, it was a buy. However, on GU, before CPI, there is news that came out. It was weakening the pound dollar, and we all know that, we both know that what is happening in the news in the fundamental side. Trump is making things, and now the dollar, it seems like it's gaining power. So I'm anticipating for price to break this level of 1.32874, and I'll be waiting for any continuation chart pattern in order to catch this impulse to the downside. Yeah, so that's what I'm anticipating on GU. So let's go on gold, my third pair, because yeah. So on gold, things gold is a bit confusing right now, because last week it made last week but one it made this push to the downside. But we all know that gold we both know that gold, it has been buying, you know all along. It has spent a lot of time in this bullish trend. Okay, so right now I marked my support zone around here. And price made an impulse from here. It made a correction. It never broke out. It never broken this high. It formed an M pattern, and then it impulsed to the downside. It approached this support zone, and now we are seeing kind of price action around here. But I want you to see something. But even if I'm anticipating, because on gold we all know that it's buying. However, I'm anticipating for buys on gold. And however, things can change, because I'm not going to just buy, because you can see that price is correcting around this area here. Last week I entered for a buy around this zone here. It went in profits. They took me out, and it was due to not enough analysis on gold. But now I've done enough on gold, and if I'm to buy gold, I'll first wait for price to break this level here, this green line at 4160.915, and closes above here on a daily time frame. And then that's when I'll wait for a correction or a continuation trend pattern to trade and target this as my take profit zones. So anything can happen on gold. It can cause, you can see that let me draw these trend lines around here. Okay, because you can see that To be honest, if price forms an impulse, it corrects, forming a chart pattern like this, it means a what? A continuation, you know, and that one will be correlating, or it will be in alignment with EURUSD, GBPUSD, okay, because they are correlated because they all have the US dollar as their code currency. So if the buy bias is not confirmed, I'll be anticipating for more sales on gold. So that's my weekly anticipation on these pairs. Yeah, okay, that was it for this video. If you want to see how I analyze a USD card, USD CHF, USD JPY, make sure you click the link in my bio. Join my Telegram, my free Telegram community, where I shared my anticipations or my analysis for these pairs. Okay, so that's it. See you in the next video. Ciao.